The first tip is in Microsoft Excel. So we have an account receivable listings right here, and we want to identify the risk level based on the analyst comment right here. So I will ask Copilot to do that. So here we go. I will type equal Copilot. I will open the parenthesis and then open the bracket, and I will say the following. Analyze account receivable sentiment from the comment in this column, and then I will put a comma, and as my second argument, I need to give a context, so I will refer my column D right here that contains the comment, right? And then I will ask another prompt, so I will put a comma for another prompt, and again, my brackets. I will ask, classify each comment's risk level as, I will close the brackets once again, I will put a comma, and then I will select my risk level that I write here in my column I, and then my last prompt, I will say add a column for a matching emoji. Do not repeat the comments column, and I will close my bracket and then close parenthesis, and here we go. You can see in a matter of seconds, I have my risk level that are flagged as the same thing as column I and my emoji in column F. And I think that's time for a little, oh my God. The Copilot tip you just saw is one of the 7 tips that I'm showing in my video, 7 Copilot tips that will make you say, oh my God. It's right here. You know what to do next.